Hey, what's up, guys? On 2012 Ford Fusion, and this particular one is
the hybrid system.
The hybrid system.
Yeah.
So
whenever you have a hybrid system and you have your handbrake,
yeah,
you lower your handbrake, and your handbrake sign is still on.
It's still on like there.
So here there are two things that you have to check. The first thing you need to check is you go to the fuse box. So you go to the fuse box and check the second fuse to make sure it's okay. This is the 20 amps fuse. If that one is okay, the second thing you need to check is your secondary brake booster, because the secondary brake booster is down under the engine, right by the engine, where you can see my finger is pointing. Right here. That's the secondary booster. Check on the connection on that one. If that doesn't work, now that's when you have to go check your what do you call it? The ABS system. The ABS system should be underneath. Let me take this cover off. Bring over here. That's the ABS system there. Keep it pulling up. That one. That's the ABS system. So that would be the last option. But 99% of time, it's always the booster, the secondary booster. The primary booster doesn't really get spoiled. From all the vehicles I've worked on, that doesn't get spoiled. But the secondary booster, especially if your car was involved in an accident, that secondary booster should be your first priority to change.
Is it because of the impact is coming from the front?
Yes, exactly, because of the impact. So this is, most of the time, this is the one that usually gets spoiled. When you go to O'Reilly, it costs about $600 new.
Wow.
And if you get it from a junkyard, you have to take it to a mechanic to reprogram it to your VIN number, or else it's not gonna work. So those are the three major things when you have the brake system lights on and they don't go off when you release your brakes.
And that, guys, is on the Ford Fusion. Those are the 3 tips from my friend here. He is a great supporter for the YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, and let us know if you have any questions on the comment section about anything to do with Ford Fusion. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.